Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, the distance between two lines x minus 3 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0 is space units. X minus 3 equals 0, it's meaning x equals 3. And x plus 2 equals 0, it's meaning x equals negative 2. You can draw two straight lines here. The first equal what? X equals 3. It's meaning the straight line cut 3 parts from x-axis. This point or this part was 3 units. And x equals negative 2, we have straight line parallel to y dash, and the cut of this part from x-axis 2 lengths. And the point here it will be negative 2 and 0, and the point here it will be 3 and 0. We want to find the distance between two straight lines. It will be 2 plus 3, it will be 5. The result will be 5. Choose letter D about question number 1. Next question. Number 2, the parameter of triangle which bounded lines x equals 0, y equals 0, x over 3, y over 4 equal 1. Okay, we have x over 3 plus y over 4 equal 1. This straight line, the slope here will be negative. Then the straight line coming from left hand side, right hand side decreased. And we have 3 parts here and 4 parts. Then the area of triangle, it will be half times base times height, base and height. It will be 2 times 3 equals 6 square units. It's the area, but you want to find the parameter. To find the parameter, you must add 3 sides, 3 plus 4 plus this side. This side, it will be 5 units from Pythagoras. We can find this side least by using the rule square root about 3 power 2 and 4 power 2, and then found the square root about the result. It will be 25. Square root about 25, it will be 5 length unit. This is the parameter, it will be 3 plus 4 plus 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 equal 12 units. Okay, it's the parameter about this triangle, it will be 12 units. You want to find the parameter. Okay. Okay, the parameter, sum of all sides. But if you want to find the area, will be 6. Okay. Understood? We haven't in the choosing 12, but we have 6. So we must cancel this word parameter and write area. Area of triangle, it will be 6. Half times base times height. Because we have 3 in the base and 4 here in the height. 3 in the base and 4 in the height. Half times the base times the height. It's a form about straight line. Cut of them 3 parts of x-axis and 4 parts from y-axis. Then the base about triangle 3 and the height 4, and the hypotenuse will be 5 from Pythagoras. If you want to find the parameter, you must add 3 plus 4 plus 5, it will be 12 units. Okay, but if he cancels this word, you must write area. Okay, it's true. This example is true. Okay, but the choosing here was false. Okay, question number 3. If cosine x over 2 equal root 3 over 2 and x of 2 acute angle, we know cosine what equal root 3 over 2? Cosine 30. From right angle triangle here, we have here 30 and 60, and here 1 and 2 and root 3. Cosine 30 root 3 over 2 is in this angle root 30, or you can use a calculator. Right shift cosine root 3 over 2, it will be 30. You want to find sine x. This angle x over 2 equals 30, such that x over 2 equals 30. then x will be 2 times 30 equals 60. Okay, understood? From two equation here, x over 2 it will be 30, then x will be 60. Then we can find sine x. You want to find sine x. Right, sine multiplication, sine what angle here? Sine 60. Sine 60 opposite over over hypotenuse, root 3 over 2. The result will be root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Choose first solution. Next question. We have right angle triangle. EE parallel to perpendicular to BC and EE 12 centimeter. This side 12 centimeter. And we have here angle X and angle Y. He give us 10x plus 10y equal 5 over 4. He will find the length of BC. Okay, we know 10x from this right angle triangle here equal opposite over adjacent equal EB over 12. Okay, because this side length was 12 centimeter. And to 10y from left hand side here from this right angle triangle, 10y equal CE over adjacent, opposite over adjacent over 12. And they give us the sum of them equal 5 over 4. You can eat them because we have 12 denominators likes. Then we can add EB plus CE, EB plus CE. The sum of them it will be BC. Then BC over 12 it will be 5 over 4. Then BC equal, we used here the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. 5 times 12 divided by 4. It will be 15 length unit. Okay, the result will be 15 centimeter. The result will be here 15 centimeter. About this question right here, 15 centimeter. Question number 2. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Slope of straight line which you make with the positive direction x-axis. Angle it will be tan theta, and tan theta equal sine over cosine. Choose the letter C. Question number 2. In the opposite figure, find the value of A. We have 3 straight lines passing through the original point here, and you want to find the value of A. We have straight line here, 1, L2, L3. 3 straight line that is the original point, and we have here this angle equals this angle. As the equation here, y equal ax, as this equation equal y equal x, and here y equal 2x. And you want to find the value of A here. It's coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is reading the slope. Okay. He gives us 2 angles equality, and this angle will be 45 because the slope here it will be 1, such that y equal x, then the slope here equal 1 because the slope equal tan theta, this angle will be 45 degree, this angle. Okay, then this angle will be, the measure of this angle, it will be 45 minus x, put here k, okay, put k. This angle will be 45 minus k, 45 minus k, and this angle will be 45 minus k equality. This angle, 45 minus k, and here 45 minus k. And here, this angle here, I want to find it slope about this space, this part. And we have y equal to x, it's meaning the slope here equal to, and so this angles, it will be shift tan 2. Do you want to find a slope of x? Use a calculator to find this angle. Okay, because this angle here can find slope equal to, we can write shift tan 2 to find these angles. Okay, from this part to part, this angle. Okay, I will draw it again to understood with me. Okay, we have here a straight line and a straight line and a straight line. Okay, this angle was 45 because the slope here was 1. I put here, it will be k. Okay, this angle's k. Then this angle will be 45 minus k, and this angle equal it, then it will be 45 minus k. Then k plus negative k plus negative k plus 45 plus 45, three sides, three angles here, it will be equal 10 power negative 1 of theta. Shift tan theta, shift tan what? 2, it will be equal theta. And the theta here equals sum of three angles, 45 minus k and 45 minus k and k. Understood? Here we have three angles again. To understood this example, pay attention with me. Okay, first, straight line here, these angles we can find it shift tan 2 because the slope here equal to, and the slope equal tan theta equal slope equal tan theta. Then shift tan 2, it will be this angle equal first angle plus third angle plus first plus second plus third, but two angles here equality, and we know this angle will put here k, and this angle will be 45 minus k because the slope here 1, and it will be equality because it tells us this angle equals this angle, equality. Then shift tan 2, it will be this angle, we can write in the calculator, shift tan 2, it will be 36 degree, 63 degree, 26 and half, then 63 degree, 26 minutes, 5 seconds equal 45. We can cancel this by this, and 45 plus 45 will be 90, subtract by k. Okay, you can move negative k to left hand side, then k equal 90 subtract by 63 degree and 26 minutes and 5 seconds. Then we can write 90 subtract by answer, it will be 26 degree. Then measure of angle here k, it will be 26 degree, 33 minutes, 54 seconds. Then we can find a here, it's a slope. A, it will be shift tan, right, shift tan k, shift tan angle here because the slope equal tan k. We can find that angle k here, shift tan k, the slope, k here is the angle, then this angle it will be k. We have here the angle was 26 and 33 degree and 54 seconds. We want to find the slope about A equal 10k. 10 answer, write 10 answer. The result will be half. The result will be half. Okay, then A here, it will be half. Again, using calculator to find tan this angle, it will be root 2 because root 2 it will be 1.41. Okay, using calculator again to find tan this angle, write tan 26 degree, 33 minutes 54 seconds. It will be 0.4999. 1 over root 3 root 3 root 2 1.41. Again, 10 26 degree. I will find tan this angle. Okay, tan 76 degree, 33 degree, 54 degree. The result will be 0.44. It's nearest to half. Okay, it's nearest to half. Then the result here will be half. Okay, half. We have here 1 over 2. Cancel this and write 1 over 2. Question number 3. Find two lines parallel, then k equal. Okay, if the two lines parallel, then k equal. Okay, we can find the slope 1 and slope 2. Slope 1 here, negative coefficient of x over coefficient of y, negative 1 over 3. And slope 2, negative coefficient. Okay, it's k because it's right here in the simplest form, y equal kx plus 5. Then the slope here k. Then m1 will be equal m2 because it tells us L1 parallel to L2. Then negative 1 over 3, it will be k. Then k here equal negative 1 over 3. Question number 1. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point 1 and 2 and perpendicular to straight line passing through 2 and negative 3 and the point 5 and negative 4. Okay, we want to find the equation about this straight line. I will put L here L1 and we have L2. We want to find straight line here, equation about L1. First, we put L1 such that y equal mx plus constant. Okay, I will put this equation about L1 to find m and c. M refers to the slope. To find the slope here, you first find slope about L2. Okay, such that L2 equal what? We can find y equal m2 x plus constant. Okay, we can find the equation about L2 by using the slope. Okay, such that slope will be about L2 y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Negative 3 minus minus 4 will be negative 3 plus 4 and 2 minus 5. Negative 3 plus 4 it will be 1. 2 minus 5 negative 3. Slope 2. He tells us L1 perpendicular to L2, then m1 multiplication by m2 equal negative 1. It's the rule because L1 perpendicular to L2. Then we can find the slope about m1. It will be the inverse about negative 1, it will be 1, and change the sign. Then L1 such that y equal m1x plus constant, right? M here equal 1, 1 times x equal x plus constant. Now we will find here the constant. He tells us the straight line passing through point 1 and 1. Then this point will be satisfies the equation such that 1 and 2 going to L1. Then we can write x equal 1 and y equal 2. Then 2 will be equal, write 2 here, equal 1 plus constant. Then the constant will be equal 1. Okay, then the equation y will be x plus 1. This is the equation about straight line. Okay, the equation about straight line, y equal x plus 1. It's the result. Okay. Question here in the coordinate plane represents a point A, B, C, D. The equation straight line passing through C and parallel to PD finds the area of figure ABCD. Find the equation. Okay, it's find the equation of straight line passing through the point C and parallel to BD. Okay, we have the coordinate here. A0 and 5, B2 and 0, C0 and 3, D equal -2 and 0. One, two, three. Okay, first point A0 and 5 we have here. A 0 and 5 and B 2 and 0 and C 0 and 3 and D -2 and 0. The equation of straight line passing through the point C and parallel to BD. We have BD here and we want to find the straight line passing through the point C. I will put L such that y equal mx plus constant. Okay, it's parallel to ED, then slope of ED will be equal slope of straight line L. Okay, I took it L. The slope about L here equal slope of ED because it's parallel. Then slope about ED, it will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 here 5 minus 0, it will be 5, and 0 minus -2, it will be 2, it will be 5 over 2. It's a slope. Then the equation will be 5 over 2 x plus constant. Why? Because L1 parallel to L2. Then M1 will be M2. Okay, understood. In the equation here, it will be y equal 5 over 2x plus constant. Now we will find here the constant. He tells us straight line passing through the point C. Then C is pointing to straight line. C pointing to this straight line. Then this point will be satisfy this equation. C was 0 and 3. Put x 0 and 3 pointing to this straight line. Then this point will be satisfy this equation. Put x equals 0 and y equals 3. Then the constant here 3. then the equation will be y equal 5 over 2x plus 3, because the constant here will be 3. Understood? This straight line I will find it by know the slope, but the constant here will be 3 parts, because this straight line cuts 3 parts from y-axis. Then this side will be 3 units. It's question number 1. Question number 2. Okay, it's question, okay, finished. Here you want to find the equation of straight line passing through the point C and parallel to BD. Okay, number 2, find the area of the figure ABCD. ABCD. It's negative 2 and 0, and it was 2 and 0, and here 0 and 5. ABCD. Okay, again I will do it again to know the wrong about this example. We have the wrong in this example about the point. Okay, A 0 and 5, 0 and 5, it was A, and B 2 and 0, B 2 and 0, and C 0 and 3, C 0 and 3, and D negative 2 0, negative 2 and 0. It will be equality. We have this shape AP. You want to find the area of the figure. Okay, A B C D. Okay, you want to find the area about this part. We have two triangles here. First triangle, the greatest and the smallest, and then find the difference between them. Understood? We have two triangles here. The first triangle and second triangle. Okay, A B C and D. Okay, A B C and D, and C equals 0 and 3 units, and it will be 2 because this here 5. You want to find the area about this figure. First we can find area of triangle ABC. Right half times base times height will be 10 square units, or length unit square units, and then of area of triangle DBC, half times 4 times 3, it will be 6 square units. Then area of triangle of the figure of ABCD, the difference between them, 10 minus 6, it will be 4 square units. Okay, the question, the result about this question, the area about the figure ABCD, it will be 4 square units. Next question is about the figure ABCD is a rhombus. Find the coordinate of A and B. He gave us the rhombus. We know the properties about rhombus: all sides are equal lengths. Okay, we have here rhombus here, A, B, C, D, or this point will be O. Okay, never mind. This order here, 3 and 4, be equal. We have 4 sides equal lengths, and we want to find the coordinate about A and B. This side will be equal this side. We have the order here 3 and 4, going 3 and up 4 here, and this point equals 0 and 0. We can find the side length here about this side. We can find line since here. Okay, look at with me this part, this part equals this part equals this part, and here C and here P. We know OC equal, we can find side length, square root of 3 minus 3, 0 equals 3 power 2, it will be 9. 4 minus 0 equals 4, power 2 will be 16. The result will be 5 length unit. 5, and it's 5. And the order about B, I will write here numbers such as that X and Y. And this point will be moved here 5 lengths. Then the order about this point will be 5 and 0. Because we have rhombus equal in lengths. This is 5 lengths and this 5 lengths, 5 lengths. 5 lengths, 5 and 0 is point A. Now I can find here the length of AB because AB was equal to BC. And we have two unknown here. Okay, we can find, how we can find the length here? We can find by using the rule about the midpoint. Put the midpoint here M in the example, and M lies between B and O. You can find order by using the rule. The midpoint between them, we can find M between E and C first, okay? Such that M equal between B and O. We can write X plus 0 and CA. M lies between C and A and O and B. Then M, the midpoint between C and A, we can write 3 plus 5 over 2 and 4 plus 0 over 2. 3 plus 5 equal 8. 8 plus 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Then the result will be 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. The order here 4 and 2. About the point M, such that M lies between E and C. M is the midpoint of M, midpoint of EC and OP. Now we found M, the midpoint of OP here. OP will be X plus 0 over 2. It will be X over 2. Y plus 0 over 2. It will be Y over 2. The midpoint was 4 and 4. 4 and 2. Okay. Then the first projection, it will be equal first projection, and second projection equal second projection. Then X over 2, it will be 4. Then X will be 8. And here Y over 2 equal 2. Then Y will be 4. Then the point here about B was X and Y. X was 8 and Y will be 4. Then B will be 8 and 4 and A 5 and 0. Solution about this example. The first, okay, second, we want to find tan this angle AOP. AOP, tan this angle. Okay, to find tan this angle, we can find the slope. The slope of this angle, it will be what? Tan theta. Okay, we want to find tan theta, it means the slope. Slope between O and P, because you want to find tan angle AOP, the angle, it will be the slope about the straight line. tan theta, it's meaning the slope. M reverse the slope. The slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 over x1. 8 minus 0, no, write 4 because we have x and y. We can write y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then the slope here, about question number 2, you want to find tan angle. Tan, it means the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 4 minus 0, it will be 4. And 8 minus 0, it will be 8. Then the result will be half. The result here will be half. About question number 2, slope about tan this angle, it's meaning the slope, equal half. The result will be 1 over 2. Question number 3, equation of OP. We want to find the equation about OP. To find the equation of OP, you must find what? Find the equation about the slope and the constant. Okay, it's very easy. Why? Because this straight line passing through the original point, then the constant will be 0. So about question 3, the equation will be L1 y equal mx plus constant. Constant, it will be 0. Then y equal the slope here, half multiplication by x plus 0. Then the equation will be y equal half x. Next question, if the point A x and 3 and B 3 and 2 and C 5 and 1, and the point A lies on the axis of symmetry of BC. We have here axis of symmetry of BC, the straight line B and C, and we have the point A lies in axis of symmetry of BC. It's meaning this straight line will be perpendicular to BC. So you can find here the slope of BC and then drop or write the inverse about the friction and then change the sign to find the slope about this straight line passing through the point A. You want to find the value of x. Okay, never mind. You want to find the slope, don't know. You want to find here the value of x. To find the value of x, first you can put here x and 3 and C 5 and 1 and B was 3 and 2. And we will have here isosceles triangle. First step, you can find this point. I will put M. M lies in the midpoint between B and C, the distance, because A lies in the line symmetry of BC, then AM perpendicular to BC. You can find M, it's the middle point between B and C. We can eat 5 plus 3 divided by 2. 1 plus 3 over 2. 5 plus 3 equal 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. 1 plus C, 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Then M will be 4 and 2. It's the point of M. Okay. And then we can find the value of x. How? We know the distance here, it will be equal the distance. Then EB will be equal EC. So M, we needn't M here. Okay, need M here when he want to find the equation of AM or the equation of a straight line of symmetry about this line segment. But in the example, he want to find x only. Okay, if you want to find x only, you can find the rule about EB equal BC only and solve the equation. We know EB equal EC, then we can using the rule here about EB square root about x minus 3 power 2. We have B equals 3 and 2, x minus 3 power 2 and 3 minus 2 power 2. Okay, and here 5 or x minus 5 power 2 and 3 minus 1 power 2. And then we can cancel the square root from left hand side to right hand side. Then x minus 3 power 2 plus 3 minus 2 equal 1, 1 power 2, 1. cancel by using power 2 here and power 2 here, left hand side and right hand side. 3 minus 2 1 1 power 2 1. Okay, and here 5 minus x minus 5 power 2 plus 3 minus 1 2 2 power 2 4, and then cancel 1 here. The result will be 3. Add negative 1 to left hand side right hand side, and then x minus 3 power 2, it will be x power 2 subtract by 6x plus 9, and here x power 2 subtract 10x plus 25 plus 3. Cancel x power 2 by x power 2. Negative 6 here plus 9 will be equal negative 10x plus 28. Moving here, 10x minus 6x and 28 minus 9. 10x minus 6x, it will be 4x. 28 minus 9, it will be 19. Then x will be 19 over 4. It was 2 power 2 4. Sorry, it was 4. 3 minus 1, it's not 0. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 here, 2 power 2 4, and 3 minus 2 1 1 power 2 1. Then the result here, x power 2 subtract 6x plus 9 plus 1 equal x power 2 subtract 10x plus 25 plus 4. Cancel x power 2 by x power 2. Negative 6x plus 10, negative 10x plus 29. Move here, 10x minus 6x 4x, and cancel this number here. It will be 19. Understood steps? 5 minus x and 1 minus 3. Okay, it's true. Then x will be 19 over 4. Next question. In triangle right angle in B, prove that sine A plus sine C greater than 1. Prove that sine A plus sine C greater than 1. Okay, sine A equal PC over AC, and sine C equal EP over EC. You want to prove that this left hand side greater than 1. Okay, we can write EC in denominator because we have like numerator. We can add numerator by numerator here. Then you can write PC plus EP, and we know EP plus BC from the inequality BC plus EB such that greater than the third side in any triangle, the sum of any two sides greater than the third sides. Then we can cancel BC and EB and write EC greater 1. Okay, this number we have here EC such that this number greater than EC greater than C, then the number will be greater than 1. Any number divided by EC here. Okay, we can divide it by EC here and EC here. Then EC over EC equal with 1. Then PC plus EP over AC is greater than 1. Okay, we prove that here. from this inequality. BC plus EB greater than EC. This inequality, it's very important to know this equality from any triangle. From Prep 2, you studied it before, okay? If we divide it by EC, then the result will be greater 1, because EC divided by itself, it will be 1. Next question here, number E. If cosine 2x equal tan 45 sine 30, where 2x is the acute angles. Without calculator, finds the value of sine square x plus cosine square x minus 1. We can solve this example by write this expression in simplest form to find the value of x, such that cosine 2x will be tan 45. We can draw right angle triangle here, 45 and 1 under 2. Cosine 2x equal tan 45. Tan 45, it will be 1. Sine 30, we have right angle triangle here, 31 and 2 under 3. Sine 30, it will be half. Then cosine 2x, it will be half. Then 2x, it will be 60, because cosine 2x equal what? Half. Then angle here equals 60, because cosine 60 equal half from this triangle. Cosine 60 equal half, 1 over 2. Cosine 60, 1 over 2. Then x will be what? We have 2x equals 60, then x equals 30. So we can find the value about this expression. We get x equals 30. Then sine 30, sine square 30 plus cosine square 30 subtract by 1. Sine 30, it will be half and power 2 plus cosine 30 root 3 over 2 power 2 minus 1. It will be fourths subtract by 3 over 4 minus 1. It will be what? Negative. It will be positive. Okay, 1 minus 1, it will be 0. The result will be 0 here. Next question. We have figure here, the graph, straight line, and we have line segment, it will be equality, and this C and 4, E and B, and X and Y, X dash. Okay, here you want to find the equation of AB passing through the point, and this angle equals this angle. It was 3 and 4. We can draw here 0 and 0, this order, and we can draw this triangle here because we have isosceles triangle. 3 and 4, it's meaning move the 4 and up 3, so this side will be 4. Then the order of A here will be 4 plus 4, it will be 8. 8 and 0, it's order of A. Okay, understood? Because the order here 3 and 4 moving here, because it tells us this isosceles triangle, I will draw perpendicular here to M. This side length will be 4, going 4 and up 3. So this side 3 and this side will be 5 lengths. 3, 4, 5 from right angle triangle. Okay, 3, 4, and 5. And this will be 5. And this side will be 5. And this side will be 5. We will have here isosceles triangle. No, 5 and 5 only, because it will be equality. So C lies in the middle. he tell us no, don't tell us it will be equality, but this side will be 5. Okay, only 5 and 5 and 3 and 4 and 4, right? Angle triangle here and isosceles triangle outside. Okay, he want to find the equation of EP. We have the point here 8 and 0, and this side was 8 centimeter, and it was 3 and 4. We can find the order of P, X and Y. We have 3 and 4 and 8 and 0. We can find X and Y about this point. X here will be 0, 0 here, 0 and Y. Okay, and they tell us measure of angle CEO equal COA, isosceles triangle. Then you want to find the equation of EP. To find the equation of EP, you can find the slope about this straight line. And we have 3 and 4. This point lies between straight line. Okay, to find the constant, put the points 3 and 4. Put y equal mx plus constant. It's the equation about L, where tan of L equal mx plus constant. And then you can find the slope. Slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 4 minus 0 over 8 minus 3. It will be 4 over 5. It's a slope about this equation, so m will be here 4 over 5. And then such that the point C or E belonging to straight line, then E 8 and 0 satisfies lies in L, then satisfies this equation. But x equal 8 and y 0 is 0 equal 4 over 5 multiplication by 8 plus constant. Then the constant will be 8 times this number 32 over 5, and then moved it to right hand side. Okay, it's 3 and 4 again. Solve this example again. Okay, I changed it 3 and 4, right? 4 and 3. Okay, I will solve it again, but it's a method. Okay, I will change only the steps again. We have here this point and this point, and we have here 3 and 4. Then this side will be 3 and 4 and 3. Then the point here it will be 6 and 0. Okay, and 6 and 0 and 3 and 4. You can find slope about L, y equal mx plus constant. Then straight line here, you can find the slope 4 minus 0 over 3 minus 6. 4 minus 0 could be 4, 3 minus 6 it will be negative 3. This is the slope, it will be negative 4 over 3. Then the equation y equal negative 4 over 3 in the simplest form. Okay, y equal negative 4 over 3 right here. Okay, x plus constant. We have the point 6 and 0 belonging to y and satisfies this equation. But in this example, x equals 6 and y 0, then 0 will be negative 4 over 3 times 6 plus constant. Then 0 will be negative 8 plus constant. Then the constant here will be 8. Then the order here will be 0 and 8 about C here. Okay, then the equation will be negative 3 over 4 plus x plus 8. Negative 3 over 4 x plus 8 is the equation about straight line. Okay, but the first solution I replaced 3 and 4 right here, 4 and 3, so the solution was wrong. Okay, but it's a true result. Okay, my students, I hope to understand all questions, and goodbye.